Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. Before I share a project with you all, I thought I was done with my hauls, but I have one more. So I had been working at an area where there is a Tuesday morning really close by. So I did stop by, I think this was a week or two ago, and I kind of set it aside and I forgot to do a haul. At least I don't think I did because I didn't put it away. So I got some more double-sided tape. Every time I see these, I do at least pick up one because they're 99 cents. And I went through a roll of like the red line tape already, so and then they had a bunch of Anna Griffin cards, and I love this one. The last time I saw some, I believe I saw I picked up, the sympathy one, and then I want to say a thank you one, but this one is really pretty. This one, gosh, I just love Anna Griffin. This one's for birthdays, and someone's always having a birthday. So you can create 4 cards. They have different, let me just show you guys what's in this packet here. So you have 4 different pieces here for the top. I guess you can say a topper. And then you have these cards. So for those of you who haven't seen this one, I know some people have hauled this before, but I just think it's so pretty, and I just love all the gold foiling in it. So there's that one. And then let me share with you this one. This one says for my dear friend, and I love the colors on this one as well. So these two are probably my favorite from Anna Griffin right now. So you have for my dear friend. I guess all of them says for my friend or dear friend. And then you have these. So these are the toppers, and then these are the card bases. So you have these 2. So I love that, and you get the adhesive, of course, the little foam tapes. So just, you know, it's just good to have one of these ready to go card kits. And then I was happy to find this one, and I only found one, but this goes with the you are invited, you're invited. There's the item number there. And I hope I haven't shared this one with you guys. So I think that pretty much completes this set for me. I mean, I'm sure there's more, but like the layered, I would love to find the layered chipboard piece for this one, but I think I have plenty to work with. So I definitely need to just keep doing projects, you know, guys. So yeah, you get all these pieces, and you have, oh, this one spells love. See, isn't that pretty? It's a fun birthday, spring. You don't have to use it for birthday. You can use it for spring. You have tags. It's just really pretty. And the colors are awesome. And so that's it. That's pretty much the die cuts. So isn't that nice? I love it. Okay, so I'll put that away in a minute. And then I did get something on Amazon recently, and it did come. And this is the one that I'm gonna share with my Bow Bunny friend, Tara. Hey girl, my Bow Bunny buddy. Hey girl. Because I know she's gonna be sharing some papers with me. I only have 2 of each of these, but I only have the 3. We're both collecting this serendipity one because we just love it. It's so shabby. So I'm gonna send you one of these. One for me, one for you. And this one, like I said, I got it through Amazon. Here's the back of this one. And it's just pretty. This is a good one for spring as well. So here's the other one. And then this is the one with the eggs, with the nest. Really pretty. And here's the back with the feathers. So that's the same. And lastly, there's this one here. Isn't that cute? So pretty. And look at the blue in the back. Just gorgeous. So yes, I need to send you some 12 by 12s anyway, Tara. So, you know, just any duplicates that I have that's Bo Bunny related. So, yeah. And that is my very small, quick haul for you guys. So, I hope everyone's having a good weekend. The next time I do share, I promise it will be a project share, because I do have a project that I just completed. I stayed up till 1 o'clock in the morning doing a project. Not on purpose. I just lose track of time when I'm creating at night. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful week. Bye for now.